This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joe Birmingham. Beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bath condo on the second floor. All redone to the highest standard with all hurricane impact windows and sliding doors, expanded kitchen with all KitchenAid appliances including double wall oven, custom European cabinets, quartzite countertops with pop-up electrical outlet, all Lutron lighting throughout, and you can program to your smartphone along with the air conditioning and the entry door. Flooring is 24 by 24 porcelain throughout. Master and guest bath with frameless glass showers, high-end vanities imported from Spain, Bluetooth speakers in both bathrooms. Crown molding throughout and so much more. Must see and will not last long. Can also be sold furnished. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe Birmingham at 561-981-9400.